Hello everyone, today we will start 8.2. It's analyzing arithmetic sequences and series. So we have to talk about what is arithmetic series. If you are provided by sequence, any sequence, and the difference between any two consecutive term is the same, we call that sequence as a arithmetic sequence. What we can write? If there is the difference between any two consecutive terms, any two consecutive terms is the same in sequence is arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's do this first of all. It says whether the sequence is arithmetic or not. Minus 9 and there's a minus 2. What you add? You have to add 7. Okay. Minus 2 change to 5. You have to add 7. Again you will add 7 and 7. Every time we are adding a same constant number. That means the sequence is arithmetic. So yes, it is arithmetic. And what is the common difference? With the common difference is 7. Next, B part. 23 to 15. So how it changed? How 23 changed to 15? It's a negative 8. 15 changed to 9. What is that? Negative 6. 9 changed to 5. It's negative 4. And similarly, it's negative 2. It's not same. It's a different. So no, it is not arithmetic. Next, write a rule for the nth term of each sequence. If the sequence is arithmetic, we can write its rule. What is rule? Rule is a general term that we can use to calculate any term. We don't need to care about what is the previous term, what is the next term. No. We can directly calculate that particular term. So, the term is an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. What is a1? The first term. D is common difference. And n is the nth value. Okay, let's see. We have to check. We can write in the A part like this or not. First, identify it's arithmetic or not. Because this formula will work only if it is arithmetic. 3, 8, 13 and 18. How it's changed? You add 5. Again, you have to add 5 and add. So, we are adding 5. So, common difference is 5. D is 5. What is the first term? 3. So, A1 is 3. Let's write the general formula. The general formula is an is equals to 3 plus n minus 1d. D is 5. You can open the bracket and substitute. It is 3 plus 5n minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2 plus 5n. Done. That's it. This is the nth term formula. As we got the nth term, question is saying what is the 15th term? Replace n with the 15. N is replaced with the 15, so minus 2 plus 5 times 15. 15 5s are 75 minus 2. So you will get this is negatives, this is a 73. 73. Okay. Here We can calculate what is the common difference. The common difference is negative, negative 8. You can check. The difference is negative 8 and negative 8. So D is negative 8. First term is 55. An is equals to 55 plus n minus 1 times D. Remaining you have to calculate yourself. Do it. We can continue the next one. It says one of the term of arithmetic sequence is of A19 is negative 45. So what we are provided with? We are provided with the 19th term. The 19th term is 45, negative 45. Okay. The common difference is negative 3. Write a rule for nth term. How I can write? An. Let's start with A19. A19 means the first term plus 19 minus 1 and difference. What is the things present here? A19 is negative 45. A1 as it is. 19 minus 1 is 18 and common difference is negative 3. We can simplify. 18 threes are 54. So negative 3, so negative 54. We can add 54 on both sides. You will get 9. So first term is 9. A1 is first term and you are getting it's 9. Then it says write nth rule. Nth rule will be 9 plus n minus 1 d. 9 minus 3n plus 3. 12 minus 3n is the general term we get here. Using this general term, then it says graph the first 6 terms. You have to find first 6 terms. First term is already calculated. It's 9. What is second term? You can put here 2. 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 is 2. You can calculate the third term. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Wait. 3 2s are 6. It's a 6 now. Second term is 6, not 3. Then n is 3. 3 3s are 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. Fourth term. 4 3s are 12 and 12 minus 12 0. 5. You will get negative 3. A6 is negative 6. Done. We are done with this question. Next. Here now we are not provided by what is the first term, what is the common difference. Only 2 values are provided. 2 random values are provided to us. And it says that A7 means 7th term. The 7th term is 17 and the 26th term is 93. What I can write? I can use the formula for A7. A7 has the formula first term plus 7 minus 1b. Similarly, A26 is equals to A1 plus 26 minus 1b. This is provided 93. A1 plus 25b. This is 17. A1 plus 6d. You can subtract both equations. If I subtract both equations, here it is this 17 minus 93. So 17 and 93 if I subtract, I will get the term here is it's a negative 76. A1 minus A1 0. 6 minus 25 it's negative 19. If you didn't get how I calculate, let me write it again. I'm writing in a term, in a system of equation. I'm trying to solve with the system of equation. 17 A1 plus 6D 93 A1 plus 25D. because I subtract, so this will be negative, this will be negative, and we have to subtract this because we are subtracting two terms. This is negative 76, this is 0, and the 19. Okay. From this, divide by negative 19, d will be 4. D is 4. As you get d4, substitute d value. Either you can substitute d here or you can substitute d here to get the value of a. 17 equals to a1, 6 times d is 4. It's 24. 17 equals to a1. So subtract 24. If you subtract 24, you will get negative 7. a1 is negative 7. D we already calculate. So what is the rule? Rule will be negative 7 plus n minus 1 times d. D is 4. Open the brackets. Negative 7 plus 4n minus 4. 7 and 4, 11. 11. Negative 11 plus 4n. This is the general form of this given arithmetic sequence. Okay. Next. Next is sum of finite arithmetic series. How sequence becomes series? If I write 2, 3, 4, 5, these are terms of sequence. Instead of this, if I start adding them, this is a series. If it is go to infinite terms, it's infinite series. If at sum up to 10 only, then it is a finite series. Okay, we have to find the sum of finite series. If the arithmetic series has a finite number of terms, we can calculate what is the total sum. So Sn is equals to n by 2 first term plus the last term. This is the formula. This is first term, first term. This is the last term, nth term, up to which we have to calculate. And then is the total terms, 10, 20, 30, whatever. And divide by 2. Let's start this. Summation I is equals to 1 to 20, 3i plus 7. This is a arithmetic sequence. Any sequence, this is a series, but I only work for this, so it is a sequence. So this series is an arithmetic. How I can say? Any arithmetic sequence, any arithmetic sequence is a linear function. It is a linear function. It has a variable power 1 only. So it has a I have a power 1, and therefore it is a arithmetic sequence, and that we have to find the sum of this term, that sum of terms. That's why we have to find series. So what is the first term? Let's see. So if I substitute 1, I will get 3 into 1 plus 7, that's 10. The next is 20. 3 times 20 plus 7. This is 67. The total terms are 20. So using the formula, S of 20 is equals to 20 by 2, 10 plus 67. This is 10. This is 77. On adding, you will get 770. We are done with this question. Okay, there is one more question. Let's see. It says you are making a house of cards like this, similar to the one that's shown. Write a rule for the number in the nth row when the top row is row 1. So first row has, this is known as a first row. This is known as a second row. Then it is a third row. Okay. So see, we have to find a rule. How it is adding? Let's see. In the first term, How many cards are there? 3 cards are used. So for the first row, 3 cards are used. A1 is 3. How many cards in the second? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 cards. So for the second, it is a 6 cards. So that means the difference is a 3. So nth rule will be first term plus n minus 1d. 3 plus 3n minus 3. That is 3n. So an is 3n. This is the general. Then it says how many cards do you need to make a house of cards with 12 rows. So it's asking for total number of cards in up to 12 row. So S of 12 we have to calculate. The part is asking for calculated as 12. 12 by 2. First term is 3. What is the 12th term? The value of 12th. 12 threes are, because I can directly substitute and 12 here. So 12 threes are 36. 36 and 3, 39. This is 6. This is 39. 39 into 6 is 234. It's 234. Okay, so we done with the 8.2. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.